guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a mini dragon. Okay, so first off, hi.
Hello.
Hi.
What's going on?
Then I need to make something like
You having fun?
yeah, making a YouTube video. Thank you.
You're missing your hands. There you go.
I know, I'm gonna show them. It has to be like that. And then bend it where it's equal. It has to be like that. And then get tape or whatever you have. And tape it in the middle and side.
See these, Mama? Red jackets.
Hold them.
Yep.
Yeah.
Ready?
Like that. And then 3 stickers or pieces of tape. And then bend it in half again to the same length. Then get another piece of paper and do the same thing. It has to be about the same length or at least the same. Then bend it in half to be
No thanks.
equal. These are the only ones that I have in the pack. What you doing?
Drinking your hot chocolate
Why?
because you're not.
I'm making a video. That's why. Give it. Give it. Give it. Give it. Thank you. Ooh, yummy. Then they should be the same. And then get 1 piece. And then get out anything that is black. Anything like a pen, marker, or pencil. And then get one of the pieces. And then draw and then outline it on that piece of paper. 4 of them.
Holy crap. Time to go to New Zealand. Double your money.
And then you can rip
56
them
cents.
out or cut them
Or
out. I don't
$1.
have scissors
Or
with me
$11.
because I'm in Canada right now. But you can use scissors to take it out too if you want.
Are they winning?
Then put them in a small and big pile. And the small one will be for the bottom, and then the big one will be for the head. Yummy.
Favorite long food.
Then get a piece and then just tape them on at least 3, 4 pieces, and two on each side, which is 4 pieces. And then, but I only need 1 because they are big. Because my tape stickers are big. So. And then once you're done with the first side, flip over to the other side and do the same thing.
This is organic maple syrup leaf amber.
What do you mean amber?
And then sometimes
It says amber
it
maple
just
syrup is extremely
turns
It's drinkable, right?
small,
It's
so
syrup.
you make
Listen,
it the
amber
draw,
maple
even
syrup
though
is
if it's
extremely
not
popular with anyone
supposed
who
to.
has a sweet tooth because
And
it has a
then
bolder flavor
get
than
your
golden
small
syrup
pieces and
a
then
hint of
do
caramel.
the same thing.
It's also considered a much more versatile product. Subtle hint of maple, using vinaigrettes, substitute for sugars and baked goods, and even sweeten your coffee.
Really? We'll see about that.
That'd be really good.
Hold on.
What just happened?
Green Bay just spawned off.
Ooh! 2 minutes left!
What a game.
And a field goal could win it. If they make this. They did.
Flip it
2
over
points.
again. And then
They still got the 2-minute warning.
and then tape it like I said. And then you need to do it like that
They're gonna put
because
special
it
teams
is
in,
too
turn the
small.
ball over. Your view is only to here. That's big
You
blue
do it
there.
like that.
Alright, find where you're at, just don't go higher than the computer.
Okay.
You're almost on 10 minutes already.
Oh really? How?
I'm excited about this. And it's a really cool bottle I can use afterwards. It's the little things that excite me.
And then get another piece of tape or whatever you have again. Hi Moosey. And then tape it like that. So like put half of it on the top one inside and then the other half on the top on the bottom of the top one. And then it goes with the other ones. And then on the bottom like that, tape it like that. And then it should be like that. And then get another piece And
Where did all these
then
candies come from?
What are they?
M&M's?
I bought them.
and
They
then
were in my backpack.
make
from a
any
long
piece
time
that
ago,
you
but I have a
want,
backpack, so I
but it has to be
brought them
like
along.
big or something. I'm gonna make it like this. Could be something like that or different. Now this is a hard part for me because I do not have scissors, which is unfortunate. Oh, never mind, I'm going pretty well. I usually do the same head for all of my dragons, but make any shape you want. It cannot be, has to be at least that big. It has to, like, hold on. Has to be at least the size of mine. This big.
This guy's an idiot.
And then get another piece of paper and then make the same shape. Hold on. And then cut it out again, or rip it, however you want. It's easier to cut it though. Scissors. Then draw whatever you want, like eyes, like accessories. Okay, has to go on that side now. Cute. Okay. Keep messing. I always mess up on this part. Now I need to get another piece of paper. And if you mess up, you could just get another piece of mini paper or flip it over and then do the same design. Oh. I just noticed I have to do it again, which is very unfortunate for me. If you want to resume the video, you can. If you want. But you can just do whatever you want. You can resume the video if you want. I'm gonna need to do it again. Then get another piece of tape and put it like that. Then put it flat. Put it on one piece. Then stick it to the top part. And then it should look like that. Then get the other piece. Mine looks different because I messed up. But, and then do the same thing. And then you are done. There, you're done.